Hey guys, welcome back. This is Archana here. I hope you all are doing good. Today I'm back with another Rust Effect mixed media project for you all. To create this project, I have used triangle shaped canvas as a base, and first I added negative chippies. So these are the leftover chippies which are perfect to create a texture on your project. I have pasted these chippies randomly on this canvas using heavy gel medium. So these chippies create interesting texture on your project. So whenever you have this kind of a chippies, don't throw them. Instead of throwing them, you can use them as a base in your project, and it will definitely enhance the look of your project. Once I'm done pasting these negative chippies, next I have took this beautiful mechanical design chipboard from Expressions Craft and place them on the canvas using heavy gel medium. So here I have covered my project using black gesso. So if you have seen my previous project, then you might know that I like to cover or prime my projects layer by layer. That way I believe that we will get complete coverage on the project. So yeah, I always do this. And so whether it's a black gesso or white gesso, this is the great idea to cover your entire project quickly, because we add lot of embellishment, lot of different kind of a material on the project, and when you done placing them on the project, it will be really hard for you to cover it using a gesso. So yeah, if you apply your gesso layer by layer, you will get complete coverage as well. So yeah, next here I have took a clock shaped chipboard set from the Expressions Craft, and again added them using heavy gel medium on the project and cover it using black gesso. So once my base layer is done, next I have added resin gears and other resin embellishment to create the 3D look. So I was trying to keep this embellishment around my focal point. So yeah, before adding this focal point, I place my other resin embellishment on the canvas. And once I'm done placing them, I have covered them using black gesso. So now since that I am trying to create rust effect, so that here to create that rust effect, I have added ground texture paste natural desert using hard bristle flat brush. Here my paste was bit thick, so I have diluted it using water and applied it using a flat brush on the project, as you can see here. So this paste has very minute granules in it, and they are perfect to creating rust effect. I mean, these granules can definitely imitate the rust effect on the project. So once everything is done, like composition and adding all that texture is done, I have gave final coat of black gesso. So now it's time to color the project, and to add that rusty effect on the project I have choose chalk pen shades accordingly. I have choose classic burgundy and dusty cedar, and I mix these two colors together to get the desired shade and applied it using sponge brush, as you can see. Next, here I have used little bit of faded olive chalk paint shade, and I have used same brush because I don't want this chalk paint this olive shade to dominate my base layer. So that's the reason I have used same chalk paint shade. And rust effect is absolutely incomplete without patina effect, and to get that patina effect I have used aquamarine chalk paint shade. This is absolutely beautiful vibrant shade and perfect to give that patina effect on the project. To finish this project, I have used shimmer metallic paint intense copper. I took this paint on my finger and applied it here and there. This is absolutely beautiful paint and very vibrant as well, but on this project I don't wanted it too much, so yeah, that's the reason I have applied it very little bit, like very little amount here and there. So yeah, this is how I have finished this project. I hope you guys have enjoyed this process and find this process useful. I will be back with another project soon. Till then, bye bye, take care and happy creating.